Hello, my name is Larry Martin and I'm a solutions consultant with Beyond 20. Today I'm going to show you how to do something that can be very powerful while also allowing you to maintain security throughout your system. We're going to do a very simple example of this, but what I'm talking about is allowing a one-step to run under a different security group than the logged in user. This could come in very handy when you need to allow someone to do something that you need to restrict their access or rights otherwise. So in this example today, I'm going to simply show you how to allow a technician to flag a customer as a VIP, utilizing a one-step and running it under a different security group. Just like you can in Windows, you can run as administrator or run as a different user. This will allow, for example, if you've set your VIP field to only allow administrators to modify it to true or false, it will allow you to let certain users within the environment go ahead and modify that field. So let's show you how we're going to take care of this. So we're in a new blueprint and I've already set everything up, so I'm just going to walk you through the process. What I did was on my incident form, I've added a new link label called flag as VIP. And that label is going to run a one-step. That one-step I've named flag as VIP. So the flag as VIP one-step is going to step through children, the customer, and it's going to update customer record, and it's going to update the field VIP to the value of true. Now if we've set rights to only allow administrators to do this, then our Tier 1, Tier 2, service desk technicians or other users in the environment, if they're not a member of the administrator security group, they would not be able to run this one step as it looks. But at the very front of a one step, under your conditions, you may not have noticed this, but there is a run under security group option. And in here I have selected admin. It's normally set to the current user security group. So if it's the current user security group and they're a member of the service desk security group and we've set VIP to not allow anyone but admins to modify it, they would not be able to run this one step and have it actually update the record. However, by changing this to admin, we're saying run as if you were a member of the admin security group. Now, this can become even more powerful when you start using visibility expressions. So we've got this link here, and this link is going to allow this process to run as if an administrator were logged in. Now let's say we have a service desk group 1, service desk tier 2, service desk tier 3. We may turn around and set this visibility on this expression so that only those who are service desk tier 3 can actually see the one step to run it, and that can be very useful. You think of different scenarios in your environment where you might take advantage of this. This is just one example, but you could use a visibility expression so that only your tier 3 service desk technicians can see the expression to run it. So your tier 1 and tier 2, even though this would give them the right, since they can't see the control or it's disabled, they still would not be able to flag that customer as a VIP. But your tier 3 with that visibility expression would. So it's something to think about. There are various ways that you can use this. I'm sure that at some point you'll come up with a scenario where it's like, I really don't want to open that up to everyone, but I do have occasion where they need to do that. This is a prime way to do it. Again, within the one step, you simply come into the conditions area and run under a different security group. This has been a short video, but it's also a very powerful one. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We produce these videos every week for you. Thank you.